eBay Motors Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think buying or selling vehicles online is risky, but eBay Motors has been a trusted platform for decades. eBay Motors allows individuals and dealerships to buy and sell cars, motorcycles, trucks, and classic vehicles. One standout feature is its auction-style listings, where buyers can bid or purchase immediately through the Buy It Now option. This flexibility attracts both bargain hunters and serious buyers. Most people get this wrong. They assume all listings are verified. The surprising truth is that while eBay provides seller ratings, detailed vehicle descriptions, and VIN history reports, buyers must still perform due diligence. Checking the vehicle history, arranging inspections, and confirming ownership are essential steps. Another advantage is the variety. eBay Motors hosts everything from everyday commuter cars to rare collector models, with options for local pickup or shipping. The platform also offers financing options and seller protection programs to improve trust and safety. However, there are considerations. Competition and auctions can drive up prices unexpectedly, and some sellers may overstate vehicle conditions. Shipping costs for long-distance transactions can be high, so buyers should factor those into the final price. In conclusion, eBay Motors is a versatile platform for buying or selling vehicles, offering auctions, Buy It Now options, and extensive vehicle variety. It works best when buyers verify listings carefully and plan logistics for inspection and delivery. Subscribe for more honest auto sales reviews before buying or selling online.